Good morning, Tuesday morning. I forgot the date. 3rd of December. Moving on, I'm going to Drag Gardens today, and picked the wrong day to go. It looked like there's a big storm coming. We are going to Drag Gardens for a couple of days, and then we'll be back here at Darren and Mandy. Dark skies. Hello, Wilson. I arrived here at Drag Gardens about half an hour ago. Went for a cappuccino first when I booked in, and then set up camp. It was raining when I got here. It's overcast, but the sun keeps on popping out every now and then, and it is reasonably warm. Back at my happy place. Good morning. Wednesday morning. Nipping air. It was 8 degrees this morning when I got up, and I've got my umbrella with me because it looks like if it's going to be raining in a couple of minutes, but I'll still go for a bit of a walk. Just my weather prediction this morning was wrong. Blue skies are coming out. The sun shining on the mountain. That section is still under mist, but sure that's going to burn away quickly just now. This morning's collection from the hike. Cans and more cans and more cans. And some are very new, been thrown away recently. Campsite's very neat and tidy. The grass is all cut very short, very clean. There's only me over there, and then there's one van and one caravan on this side. Good morning. Mist and the children there. But it looks like there's some colour coming through now for sunrise. I'll go for a walk a bit later on. It's a bit very nippy now. But yesterday evening we went for supper. Ray, that lives here on the premises, that is with RCI, took me for supper, and they've got a new sous chef there. Tell you, the best lemon meringue I've had forever. It was absolutely stunning, and we were able to organize a takeaway, so I'm having lemon meringue again today. Short Drag Gardens. The bridge has been fixed nicely. All new wire here on the sides. Brand new. Well, to me it's brand new. Might have been up for a while. Mountain completely covered in mist. And then the rain came down. The day that I thought it was going to clear, it didn't. And today I didn't bring my umbrella. The other day I came from my hike, the wood was all a bit mangled and cockeyed and broken. Well done, Trade Gardens. All sorted, fixed for you. A couple of hollies standing out there. GP registration, so they must be touring. They've been here now for a day or two. Definitely not ideal weather for biking, but sure they're all having fun. Good morning. Not a cloud in the sky this morning. It was overcast all night. I don't know what time this morning. Clouds all just disappeared. Moving on again today, going back to Darren and Mandy. Chat later. Cheers. When we're back home, we call a warm wind berg wind. Oh, there's some eland over there. Yeah, like I say, when back home, we call the wind a berg wind. What do you call a warm wind here in the berg? Yeah, a whole troop of baboons. I saw eland today and I saw the baboons that I've never seen the previous days. Sure, because it must probably be because of the cold. You're all watching me, I'm watching you.